Welcome to Search Unlocked, the podcast where business meets technology in the evolving world of search. Today, we're diving deep into the evolution from regular search to AI-powered reasoning models.
Thanks for having us. Think of traditional search like a well-organized library, where you manually find the book you need. But now, AI is like having a personal librarian who not only finds the book, but also summarizes it for you in a lively conversation.
Exactly. And with AI overviews and GPT-powered search, we're seeing search engines move from static keyword matching to dynamic conversational interfaces that can actually reason through your query like, plan my trip to Italy, and provide tailored, multi-step answers.
I agree. It's as if our search tools have evolved from a GPS, giving you directions, to a smart assistant that not only maps the route, but also anticipates traffic, weather, and even suggests a great pit stop for lunch, which is a game changer for business leaders looking to optimize operations.
And let's not forget the business impact. Companies are now leveraging these AI tools to drive actionable insights. For instance, a retail chain might use an AI-driven search to analyze consumer trends in real time and adjust inventory, like having a seasoned analyst on call 24/7.
I'd say it's like turning your search bar into a Swiss Army knife. Versatile, always handy, and sometimes unexpectedly sharp, even if it occasionally misfires with a quirky recommendation.
That's a vivid analogy. Imagine asking your search engine for a restaurant and it suggests, eat glue on pizza. A reminder that even advanced systems have their humorous missteps.
True, though those errors are becoming rarer. Now AI uses advanced reasoning models to cross-check data, much like a seasoned editor verifying facts before publication.
I must add, this evolution isn't just about technology. It's reshaping how businesses operate. Consider a global logistics firm that uses AI search to aggregate data from various sources, then synthesizes it into actionable strategies. It's like having a strategic board meeting, but automated and instantaneous.
And there's an element of proactive anticipation. Imagine an AI agent that learns from your calendar and browsing habits, then says, "Hey, you've got a meeting downtown in 30 minutes. Shall I find a quiet cafe for you?" It's turning search into a full-blown personal assistant.
I agree with that. And it's the kind of innovation that excites both business and tech leaders, melding AI, search, and reasoning models to drive efficiency. It's reminiscent of when Microsoft reinvented Bing with GPT-4. The integration was like turning a flip phone into a smartphone overnight.
I totally concur. And while Bing's journey had its hiccups, it paved the way for others to learn from its challenges. Sort of like learning from a mentor who sometimes tells you a joke at the wrong moment, but ultimately gets you there.
What a great point. These conversational AI tools are not only enhancing search accuracy, but also creating new business opportunities, from targeted marketing strategies to smarter operational decision-making.
And speaking of marketing, think about AI's role in transforming ad strategies. With AI overviews, advertisers can now place ads in a more interactive, integrated way that drives quality traffic, much like how Amazon's e-commerce search is capturing ad dollars by directly linking purchase paths.
Absolutely. And that competitive pressure forces incumbents like Google to continuously innovate, balancing rich, synthesized summaries with the need to keep traffic flowing to publishers. A delicate dance that's both technical and strategic.
With a thoughtful pause. It's a balancing act indeed, almost like walking a tightrope over a pool of potential misinformation. But with continuous improvements in data validation and citation, we're moving closer to a future where AI search is both reliable and engaging.
And in that future, as we integrate more multimodal capabilities, voice, video, images, the search experience will be as seamless as asking your smart glasses for live, contextual information during your commute, revolutionizing both consumer habits and enterprise strategies.
So, whether you're a CEO looking to streamline operations or a tech leader trying to tame the wild frontier of AI, we're all essentially riding the same wave. Hopefully, with fewer glue-on-pizza moments and more brilliant breakthroughs.
Well said, everyone. Thanks for joining this rich conversation on the transformation of search, where the blend of technical innovation and strategic business insights is opening up a new era of possibilities. Stay tuned for our next episode of Search Unlocked Deep Dive Part 2. Short break. Welcome back to Search Unlocked, the Deep Dive. In this Part 2, we're taking a technical journey into how reasoning plus GPT's search is evolving into a personalized, contextual, and proactive reasoning approach that's set to transform business strategies.
Absolutely. Imagine merging advanced GPTs with dynamic reasoning models so that our digital assistant doesn't just answer your query, but actively anticipates your next need, much like a chess grandmaster predicting future moves.
Right. And technically speaking, this means integrating multimodal inputs with real-time data streams. The system continuously refines its responses by learning from every user interaction, kind of like a self-updating playbook that adjusts strategies on the fly.
Exactly. Think of it as evolving from a static search engine into an AI-powered strategist that doesn't wait for your query but proactively delivers insights, similar to how a smart thermostat adjusts temperature based on your routine.
From a business standpoint, this transformation is huge. Companies can leverage these proactive AI systems to optimize operations, tailor marketing strategies, and even automate decision-making, giving them a personal consultant available around the clock.
It's like having a digital Warren Buffett in your pocket. Your AI not only summarizes market data, but also predicts trends and suggests actionable strategies, saving you countless hours of manual analysis.
That's a brilliant analogy. By moving towards personalized and contextual reasoning, businesses will gain efficiency and innovation, turning search from a reactive tool into a strategic partner.
On the technical side, these systems use reinforcement learning on top of large language models, meaning they're constantly fine-tuning themselves based on user feedback, much like a chef perfecting a recipe with every tasting.
Precisely. Imagine the system asking, "Did I capture what you needed?" and then adapting its future responses accordingly, ensuring that every interaction feels like a tailored, consultative dialogue.
And this proactive dialogue isn't limited to one-off queries. It creates an ongoing conversation where the AI can ask clarifying questions, update its recommendations, and even flag potential issues before they become costly problems, like a seasoned project manager who anticipates bottlenecks.
For businesses, the deployment is equally exciting. These AI solutions can be integrated via APIs into existing workflows, offering a plug-and-play enhancement that scales from startups to Fortune 500 companies, making strategic insights accessible to all.
The scalability is key, whether it's optimizing supply chains, refining customer engagement, or even predicting market shifts. This proactive reasoning approach empowers decision-makers with data-driven clarity and agility.
In summary, the future of search is shifting from merely retrieving information to engaging in a rich, interactive dialogue that delivers personalized insights and anticipatory recommendations, revolutionizing both technical operations and business strategy.
Exactly, we're witnessing a paradigm shift from reactive searching to proactive reasoning, where every query transforms into a strategic conversation.
And as these models evolve, they'll not only drive efficiency, but also open up entirely new avenues for competitive advantage in a rapidly changing digital landscape.
Thanks to all our experts for this deep dive. Stay tuned for more insights on how these advancements are reshaping the future of business and technology on our next episode of Search Unlocked, the Deep Dive.